माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का भी. I would now request the Honorable Prime Minister of India to release the brochure that has been specially brought out on the occasion. I also request all the dignitaries on the stage, Honorable Minister for Sports Shri Vijay Goyal, Sachiv Yuva Karyakram Shri Rajiv Gupta ji, Khel Sachiv Rajiv Yadav ji और साई के महानिर्देशक श्री इंजेति श्रीनिवास जी को कि वो इस ब्रोशर का रिलीज करें. It is a brochure that has got valuable information about India's history in Olympics, the initiatives taken by the government that's also been shared by the Honorable Prime Minister, the participating contingent, the Indian Rio qualifiers, unki tasveerein, and this is sure to enthuse every child, every school student, not just watching the proceedings here, but across the country on their television sets. The brochure has now been released. It is now time for the Prime Minister to launch the Run for Rio. And I also request and invite Anubhuti Barua and Varun Patel, two ace swimmers from Bal Bharti Public School, as the Honorable Prime Minister flags off the Run for Rio. जोरदार तालियों से इस मौके का I request everybody to acknowledge the moment, and just as the Prime Minister and the Minister mentioned, there is going to be a Run for Rio organized across the country. देश के विभिन्न जगहों पर ये आयोजित किया जाएगा. भारत में रियो का त्योहार. आग्रह है अभी कि आप इंडिया गेट की तरफ मुड़ जाएं और अपना दौड़ शुरू करें. The Run for Rio. It is indeed welcome that the government has taken so many initiatives to send the entire contingent of 119 participants well in time, 15 days as the Prime Minister mentioned, so that they are well rested and they will bring laurels to the country. इसी तरह से आप में से हर कोई जो इस दौड़ में भाग ले रहा है, आपको भी मुबारकबाद. और जैसे कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि तैयारी ही शुरू की जाए अभी से for the 2020 Tokyo as well. I wish everybody a very good run. आप इंडिया गेट की तरफ मुड़ जाएं. The Prime Minister is waving to the crowds. आप में से हर कोई जो यहाँ सुबह सुबह से आया हुआ है, and you are all set to start the Run for Rio. And this will be the excitement and enthusiasm that is building up to the biggest sports event, the Olympics. India has been a part of it for the past 116 years, first participating in 1900 in Paris. Abhinav Bindra, who scripted history by becoming the first individual gold medalist for India in Beijing 2008. May the inspiration continue. May our players bring laurels. उत्साह जो यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है, we invite all the runners, all the 20,000 and more children who have gathered, students from all over Delhi, and all the children from across India who are now watching this on their television sets, inspired to become future sports people who bring honor to our country. It is a 5-kilometer run that has just been flagged off by the Prime Minister. A record number of countries this time participating in the Olympics. 207 countries from across the world. आप जो यहाँ पर खड़े हैं, आपसे निवेदन है कि आप अपना दौड़ शुरू करें. I know it is a great moment of excitement to wave back to the Prime Minister of the country, but I request you to keep the momentum going. बढ़ते रहें इंडिया गेट की तरफ.
कि हम लोग हैं ऐसे दीवाने, दुनिया को बदल के मानेंगे, मंजिल की धुन में आए हैं, मंजिल को पाके मानेंगे. वो मंजिल था कांग्रेस हटाओ देश बचाओ, कांग्रेस हटाया देश बचाया.